Hey guys, in this face painting class, we're going to learn how to face paint this pretty rainbow unicorn. Loading up my sponge with this neon rainbow cake by Tag. I'm going to start off right in the middle of the face as an axis, and I'm going to start dabbing on the rainbow cake onto the child's forehead and just going around in a semicircle like that, going from eyebrow, top of the eyebrow to the other top of the eyebrow. It's really handy to carry a set of baby wipes with your face painting kit to correct any mistakes. So just wipe off any excess paint that's gone past the eyebrows here. Now, just using a flat brush, I'm just going to pick up some of this pink and lighter pink. This split cake is from Tag and it's called Dublin. So what I want to do is just make sure that you pick up as much color as possible. You want the paint to be at a consistency where it's creamy and not so watery. So if you feel like you have too much water on your brush, try to dab it onto your skin to get rid of any excess, or onto a towel that you have at your face painting kit. So with the pink down the bottom, I am going to start drawing on the unicorn's horn, and I'm going to bring it up in an angle, and I'm going to finish it right to where the purple is. So I'm going to start it off with quite a wide stroke, and then I'm going to go up just by little increments, so stepping upward, and every piece of the unicorn gets thinner. So try to keep that same angle. Now my camera was having a bit of a flip out, so I didn't quite grab that footage of putting in the horse's ears. So I'll just show you on my hand. If we make a V like this, then we can draw the unicorn's ear by just bringing it around and bringing the tip of the brush. Now this is a short angled half inch brush. And so again, then bringing it up to a tip. So starting again where the angle is, bringing my brush flat and then just meeting it right there. And now with the tip of the brush, I'm just going to bring it over and complete that. Now going back to our Dublin split cake, I've just picked up some of that pink that we've used on the unicorn, and I'm going to go ahead and outline each corner here. I'm going to bring a brush stroke down and around, and then again down and around. And then outlining the other side of the horn. And now I'm just using a number 2 Lower Cornell brush. Just using a Tag unicorn split cake, appropriately named, I'm going to pick up some of that purple and that neon pink right there, using a short angled brush. That's a half short angled brush. So for the mane, I'm just going to start along the sides here and bring out a C. And then on this side, I'm just going to bring a C round and then ending in a little S. So down, lifting up, and then giving it that nice pointy edge. And then along the sides, I'm going to do the same. I'm just going to do a flick in and then a flick in and out. The other side of the ear, a flick in and then a flick in and out. Now I'm using a star stencil, and I've just loaded up my half sponge with some Tag white. Now make sure your consistency is more so paint. There's more paint on your sponge than water. I'm just going to lay my stencil. I usually ask the child to press their head toward the stencil so the stencil doesn't move. And I'm just going to dab, dab, dab and pinch that white right through that stencil. And all I want to do is put through this cluster of stars right here. And just on the other side, I just want to achieve these 3 stars right there. I'm using my dotting tool and I've just picked up some white and I'm going to achieve some dots just up the top of the rainbow here. So starting from putting a lot of pressure down on the dotting tool, doing medium pressure, medium, medium, and then getting smaller. So again, pressing right down to achieve a thicker dot, and then as we get closer to the unicorn horn, we want to make the dots smaller. Now I just want to add a cluster of dots right near the unicorn horn right here. Now what I want to do up the top here, I always like to put a star right where the unicorn horn ends. So from the middle, we're just flicking outward. And now I just want to outline the manes. Adding some little C-like curves. By outlining the horn and the ears and all the other elements in this design, it just makes it all pop as we've got some colours behind it. So I'm just going to go outline around the pink that I've already outlined. Now last but not least, I just want to define the horse's ears. So I'm just going to bring some flicks up like that, and then another stroke up like that. So a stroke inward like that, or meeting in the same area right there, and then flicking the brown outward. That will be the little hairs that they have in their ears. And there you have a super colourful rainbow unicorn, which every kid absolutely adores. I hope you have fun recreating this. Tag me, let me know. I want to see your creations of this. Thanks for watching. If you got something out of this, make sure that you give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. If you have any face painting related questions or you need something that you need clarified, make sure you comment down below and I'll do my absolute best to share my knowledge with you in the next video. I'm on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter. Don't forget to follow me so we don't miss each other for the next one. Until next time, happy painting.